Ladies and gentlemen, now I will show you how Lupo 3L underlying to rust. So from the outside you can see relatively smooth and good metal, but here is it completely rust from inside. The water was leaking into this part. So what is also interesting or more interesting is this. This is hardened or thermally improved steel, which holds the body and determines the body strength. Ordinary Lupo, I think, haven't this part. It only have a stronger metal sheet here, but haven't this, as far as I know. So these metals are not underlying of the rust because it's quality, maybe. So everything around it is everywhere around it is rusty. Floor is okay up to this, and it is very interesting. It's very good pros because the car is very rigid and strong in the front impact. Oh, I was welding this part, and I thought that it is only 20 centimeters or 1 foot long rusty hole, but as you can see, it was also here. If I knew it sooner, I should bend the long metal sheet from beginning up to the end and weld it as a one part, but I absolutely didn't know this. So now I must weld here in the new sheet metal. This is connection between strengthened steel and normal steel. So I must cut it right in here, rip it out, this, and weld it together with the strength steel. So this is all about Lupo 3L.